Quiz Platter, a platter full of knowledge. Guess the Prime Ministers of India by their photos. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer A. Indira Gandhi. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer C. Morarji Desai. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer B. Karan Singh. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer D. Rajiv Gandhi. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer C. V. P. Singh. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer A. Chandrasekhar. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer D. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer C. H.D. Deve Gowda. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer A. I. K. Gujral. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer D. Manmohan Singh. Guess the Prime Minister of India. Answer C. Narendra Modi. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.